Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Arro credit card. The Arro credit card is a helpful option for people who are trying to build or rebuild their credit. It doesn't require a credit check to apply, which means your credit score won't be affected. Instead, Arro looks at your income and bank account balance to approve you. You'll start with a small credit limit, usually between $50 and $200, but you can grow it up to $2,500 by making on-time payments and completing learning tasks in the app. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, which helps improve your credit history. There's no security deposit needed, unlike many beginner cards. It doesn't have a yearly membership fee of up to $36, though it may be lower in your first year. You'll also get 1% cashback on gas and groceries. The mobile app includes a virtual coach and financial lessons to help you learn smart credit habits. Some users report delays in payment posting, and it may take a while for your progress to show. There's no path to upgrade to a more advanced card, so you might outgrow it. Still, it's a simple, educational card that's great for beginners. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.